Wow, look at these deals at United Tool and Fasteners for their annual one-day sale Thursday, November 6th. These deals are hotter and better than my Cuban coffee. You know what? I'm gonna slash these deals even better. Folks, Ricardo the Cuban Cowboy, and I'm here for one reason, to slice prices for our annual one-day sale at United Tool and Fasteners. Folks, if you're looking for the best tools at the best price, you can't afford to miss this day. Our annual one-day sale at United Tool and Fasteners. For example, our Rolling Thunder box, $199. Get this, get another box on wheels free. And even a better deal, our best-selling combo kit for $299. And guess what? I'm gonna throw in a free fan, making you a fan 1, 2 at a time. Folks, if you don't see it on the flyer, I'm gonna give you an additional 10%. Remember, the annual one-day sale at United Tool and Fasteners, Thursday, November 6th, lunch on me.